right? Lesson 3 Video 3, going through the source code of some and showing where I implemented my changes mainly. So from the start of things, I definitely wanted to add in some more, mathematical functions. Addition, we only had addition and multiplication, so I wanted to be able to give the user, some other basic options that they could choose from. So I added those here. And if we go to the compute page controller, we can see that I added all the different mathematical functions for those just into the compute function. Now, the new pages that I made are going to also require controller, at least one of them. This file called newpage.dart, it will have a pretty similar look and feel, except for you'll notice that I changed the color here to green. A lot of the for the radio buttons, I changed their active color to green, and I changed down here. The active color was going to be red for, you can see on the active additional features here. It's red whenever you press that. So those are just a couple of small changes there, in addition to like adding the whole page. As you can see, it's going to have its own little controller here. We also needed to add, from the home page, we needed to add a pop-up menu list. Obviously, that routes us to our two pages, new page and info page, which if we go to the info page, you can see this kind of just gives us, just the basic information, about the application. So those were it's the source code that I added in order to make this work.